Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to be making homemade in and out sauce. If you are not familiar with in and out, it is a fairly large burger franchise or burger establishment on the West Coast. You find them all over Southern California. They serve great burgers, good fries, and milkshakes. If you know, they do have a secret menu. That's when they you can find hidden stuff, gems on there. So basically, you get an animal style fries, which is their in and out sauce, with on top of cheese, on top of fries. So excellent. It's one of those things that when you're driving around late at night, driving through the city, 11:30 hits, you want a craving, and instead of going to one place, I usually will end up over at In-N-Out getting these double doubles. Real easy ingredients inside the spread. You'll have your mayonnaise here, ketchup, sweet relish, yellow mustard, apple cider vinegar, sugar, ground black pepper, and salt. For the salt, you want to go ahead and use sea salt or kosher salt. You want to stay away from iodized salt. If you use iodized salt, the recipe is probably going to come out a little bit extra salty. So make sure you pick the correct salt when using this recipe. And most of these ingredients you can probably find inside your cupboard or inside your refrigerator. So it doesn't take too long to mix them up and then store it. Usually after I make the sauce, I like to put it inside of the container and put it inside the refrigerator so it sets before I put it onto my burgers. I just think it thickens up the sauce a little bit, gives it a little bit better consistency than when you are going straight from mixing and then putting it straight onto the burger. So just go ahead and make it, put it in a nice sealed container, put it inside the refrigerator. Lasts you a good amount of time inside of there anyway. So whenever you get a cravings for fries, use that dipping sauce, a burger, or a hot dog, throw it on there. You'd be surprised on how many different food products you can put the sauce on. Just for argument's sake, I want to make sure that my recipe is as close to the original In-N-Out recipe as possible. I actually think I'm gonna head out and go grab myself animal style fries and a double from In-N-Out. I'll be right back. So this is just for scientific studies. I'm just, making sure I'm going on the right path with this recipe. Yeah. It's for science. Science! Science. Now that we got the scientific research done for the original sauce here, we can get back to our homemade sauce and continue with the video. All right, for the actual ingredients for the recipe, you have 1 cup of mayonnaise. To that, we are going to add 2/3 cup of ketchup, then 3 tablespoons of sweet relish, followed by 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, your 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Finally, we're gonna add the apple cider vinegar, and the sauce will be all ready to go. It's good. About to throw this onto a hot link right now. Can't wait. Yeah. Just a little dab of that action. We all know In-N-Out sauce tastes good on a burger and some fries. Put it on a hot dog or a hot link, you'll be pleasantly surprised. That hits the spot. You've been so antsy, and then you finally bite into something, and you just, that's what this feels like. Just, man, I feel good now, man. Yeah. I do appreciate you watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content, so that you can be notified once I release a new video. Thank you once again.